In the cobbled, flower-lined streets of the charming village of Eldoria, nestled high in the Swiss Alps, lived a young girl named Elara. Eldoria was famous for its clockmakers, whose intricate timepieces chimed melodies that echoed through the snow-capped peaks. Elara, with her bright, inquisitive eyes and nimble fingers, loved to watch the master clockmakers at work. Elara, however, wasn't a clockmaker. She was a stitcher, whose days were spent carefully mending and embroidering the villagers' clothes, blankets, and banners. She loved the feel of the soft threads between her fingers and the way a simple stitch could bring beauty back to something worn. But in a village renowned for its gears, springs, and precise tick-tocks, Elara often felt like a quiet whisper amidst grand chimes. She watched her older brother, Leo, already a budding clockmaker, assemble tiny gears with incredible precision. Oh, to create something so intricate and clever, something that tells time. Elara would sigh, wishing her work felt as important. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.